I just wanted to add this to this video. First day started off kind of rough. I had the stomach virus a couple days prior, still wasn't feeling good. But we ended up riding from Dillard to just past Robinsonville on the red section going counterclockwise. Our plan was to camp on Upper Chantilla Road, but it was blocked off, I guess, a seasonal closure. So we had to backtrack a little bit, end up finding a decent camp, but the day just wasn't very good. We judged the book by its cover on the route, so just forgive us for that. But days 2, 3, and 4 turned out to be much better. So stick around for those videos. And while you're here, subscribe to our channel. It's free and help these old men grow this channel. So on to the video. Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're finally leaving our trip a day late. Actually about a day and a half late, but weather messed us up, and plus I've had some kind of stomach virus, so it's still not 100% today.
Rather be in Florida, baby, I'm telling you, not here in the mountains where we headed. Yeah, it's gonna be cold.
Yeah, we're going to doing the Smokey Mountain 500. It's supposed to be in the low 30s and 20s and at night and stuff. We got a heater on there. We'll show you all the setup later on, but
I'm scared of all those water crossings. It's gonna be the hell.
But my stomach's still tore up, so we're gonna try to make it work. Hopefully the whole trip works out. But sometimes life gives you lemons, I guess, but it's been throwing them at me lately, so we'll try to make some lemonade. So let's go for a ride and see what we get into today. Let's go. We own it, everybody. Smoky Mountain 500. Here it is. On the street part. Hopefully we'll be on dirt soon. And we'll catch back up with you when we get on some dirt.
We'll see y'all later. Get that shield up so I can blow in and see clear for a minute.
Check that out. Little reservoir. We're on our first piece of gravel for the day, everybody.
Wonder if there's some trout back there.
They probably are.
Damn, it feels good to be off-road again, fellas.
Alright, I wish my stomach wasn't hurting, but it is what it is right now, so let's deal with it best I can. We're on the road.
You see how that water's running there, don't you?
What?
The water's running pretty good in these concrete.
Oh yeah, man, it's the day after right now. That's probably how it normally runs. These creeks up here are usually pretty good all over the mountain, you know. So everybody, if I ain't my as vibrant self, which we ain't really vibrant anyway, but my stomach hurts pretty bad today, so we'll try to give y'all the best content we can with the circumstances we dealt with. Yeah, hopefully. As the weekend goes on. It's Thursday now, so plan to stay out here till Sunday, so we'll see what happens. Just got to cruise, do what we can do. It almost looks like the Cholula River on the Georgia Traverse part, you know?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
In a way.
Mine just means like you've been deja vu, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
I want a bear run up.
Alright, that'd be cool. Elk or something.
As long as it ain't no fucking cougar coming off top of one of these hills on top of my ass.
Something they don't see very much of is wild animals. I don't know why.
Ain't nothing out here for them to fucking eat.
You see deers and stuff. There's a campsite right there. You see deer and stuff, but you don't never see. There's another campsite.
Hey, that ain't no campsite.
I know, that's crazy. They're pretty good ones, ain't they? That's why I say I don't think when you're on this route you shouldn't have hardly no problem finding no campsite.
I wouldn't think so.
Oh, we've done seen like what, 10 of them in a matter of 15 miles. First little creek crossing of the day. I don't think this will be here if it was if it wasn't rain the other day.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you can go for a while if you want. Just go straight for a while. You don't have to run fast either, you know what I mean?
I ain't going fast.
Same pace we've been running, fine.
I'm actually chilling, looking at everything.
Yeah. Get you.
I keep my eyes open in case some damn critter does run out that's worth seeing.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Alright, we're making it along pretty good. Even with the stomach, my stomach's really bothering me. Taking some of the fun out of it. but Timmy had to do a little bike repair. We'll check a few things on the bike anyway. So far, day number 1, going pretty good. Just hope my stomach gets better and we'll make it a lot better. It's taking all my focus away. But we'll tough through it, make it. That's all we can do. Timmy had to do a little check in his front wheel. He said he's had a little bit of wobble in his front wheel. Everything seems to be good, don't it?
Yep.
Just tight one.
It's time.
A little scenery. This all private land around in here, but tons of creeks, rivers, and everything else. One of the good things about the mountains, I guess. I wish I could tell y'all it's warm, but it ain't very warm. It's pretty cold up here. It's only gonna get colder, windy. Let's get up to like 20 to 30 mile an hour winds sometime this weekend. What you thinking about it so far?
So far it's alright, but it's gonna be cold. Very, probably bad cold. I'm not looking forward to that part of it.
We're making it. So we get back on the road here in a few minutes and see if we can make our destination tonight. There's a swamp down there, the alligators.
I know there was a swamp back, a little about a mile back, too. There's a damn swamp in the middle of the hill.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Pretty cool.
I guess because all the rain we've had in here lately, you know.
Yeah.
There's a river running behind the swamp down there. Oh, look at that bridge. See that bridge?
Yeah.
I don't know. Didn't have no way to get to the bridge that I seen. Took a little detour right here and found to see the suspension bridge from up there on that road. So we're gonna come check this thing out. It looks pretty cool. I don't know if it's private land or whatever. I really don't know. See what it's like. I've seen this old bridge, pretty cool. I guess you can walk out on it. I really. Look, it's a caution. Bridge capacity limited to 4 persons.
4 little people or 2 big ones?
Whoa. That's pretty, that thing's crazy too. Oh my God, hope it don't break. Whoa. Look at this, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me too good with the water running as fast as it is, but pretty cool. Been almost the coolest thing we've seen all day. Cool little suspension bridge we just checked out. We're back on our, we're about 170 miles for the day so far. On our way to find a campground or some kind of camping place. Not a campground, it's just some kind of site to camp on, I guess. Well, the route road's closed, so we can't get down through there. I have to ride about 50 more miles of pavement before we get to back on gravel again. So we're gonna go down here and get one of these sites on the lake and call it a day because it's already 3:40. Yeah, and we've been on the road for like 2 hours on this route so far. So it's first with the red section of the Smokey Mountain 500 has not been too impressive to me. Ain't been too much dirt, so I don't know. If you like that kind of thing, I guess it's alright, but it ain't been for me. Me and Timmy don't like it, so. Alright. So we're gonna ride down here and get a spot on the lake, camp, check over Timmy's bike because it's doing some weird stuff, and see how it goes back tomorrow. Well, it's about I think we did about 180 miles, maybe somewhere around there from the time we left the house today until the time we got here, which is
mostly road.
Yeah, we done from Dillard through the first section, which is running it counterclockwise, which has got us to, I don't know where it ended at, but we got into the yellow section. We ended the red section, got into the yellow section now. Still running counterclockwise. And we've been on the road for the last 2 hours on pavement, and we hadn't had gravel in a while. And we went up to right up the road from this campsite. There's supposed to be more gravel and some free campsites along the river, but the road's closed. So now we're going to have to ride another 60 miles, about 50
On the road.
50 or 60 maybe. I can't. It's hard to tell on the map, but we got to go on the road to bypass all that, get back on the trail, and hopefully the rest of the yellow section after that is good. I hope more off road. That's when we begin into the creek crosses and stuff. But so far, I ain't bashing it. It's a route if you like riding the road, I guess. But it ain't been that great to me personally.
Today has not been fun at all.
And I know everybody's got opinions, but it's just our opinion that it's not been that great. But we're gonna try. My stomach's still been hurting all day, but getting a little better. Timmy's bike's doing a little bit of weird stuff, but we're gonna look at that bike, look at his bike, set up camp, and let's go from there. So I think that's Chantilly Lake behind us right there. Timmy's collecting firewood. Got a tent set up over there. The Tent Mahal, we're gonna call it. And you've got a little view of everything. I don't know if you can hear it real good or not. It's pretty windy, like I said, but there's a view of the lake. Pretty nice little campsite. The only thing about it is you got to leave the bikes way up there, which I normally don't like for packing and unpacking for one thing, but it's a road right there beside it, a good paved road. Don't want anybody to mess with the bikes at night. All of our junk threw out all over the table everywhere. Want y'all check this out. We go here and put some water in my pot to melt some nacho cheese in, but heat it up. That's pretty cool. It runs down from the road right there. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna put some water in this. Just like this right here. There we go. I don't want to use my drinking water just to steam something, so it's good to go. I do some. Timmy's front end was wobbling because his front tire was like 20 psi in it, so got that fixed. Should be good now. Just to start a fire, start some cooking. This is nacho cheese I put in the converted into I put it into this water bottle at my house. Taped the lid up so the top wouldn't pop off. It's gonna heat this water up, let it steam, drop that down there so it heats this cheese up. You seen the chips over there earlier? Got some nacho chips right there. Timmy, you brung hamburger meat, didn't you?
Yep. I already ate taco season.
Oh yeah, and we got rotel.
And I got about 2 pounds of hamburger meat.
Yeah. So we're gonna do that tonight and then cook burritos tomorrow, right? Or tacos or something.
Yep.
Going on. We got the jet engine going. Little cheap Amazon $20 stoves y'all seen before. Cooking it up. Using the helmets as a windbreak. Who needs a jet, boy? You don't need no fancy stuff. You need any fancy stuff?
No, I don't think so. As long as it's cooking.
You got that? Got a fire blazing, baby. Sun setting almost. Won't be too long now. It'll probably start getting a lot colder. Put them buddy heater inside. See how toasty we stay. We'll give you a report on that in a little bit too. I just boiled that water. Let it cut the heat off and then set that in there. Let that cheese heat up. Timmy's got a little taco meat going right there. That's about done. We get it all fixed up. Got the rotel right there. We got to have the rotel. Can't make nachos without rotel.
Salsa. Gotta have some salsa.
Yeah, Timmy's got salsa. I don't know if I eat any. My stomach's kind of still messed up, so trying to just get old turd worked up in there. And that's what I'm gonna do, get old turd.
Let's do it now.
So we got a little fire. Doing good. Let's see how get all this put together and we'll see how it turns out. It's all ready. So it's got pouring this into a drink bottle has worked out perfect. Look at this. It heated up, it should pour out like a little. Oh goodness, look at that. Look at that, that's better than it being in a jar. It didn't get quite as hot as I want it to, but look at that. Oh yeah. There's the finished product. Little rotel, little taco meat, cheese, chips. I think Timmy's got sauce on his, so yeah, look at that. There's that one. What you think about that?
I feel like I'm a Mexican.
It's a pretty off the wall moto camping meal, I think.
Yep, show me fire.
There it goes. Taste test, baby.
Oh, that shit good. Pretty damn good. Ain't it?
It's good. Especially when I didn't eat anything hardly all day yesterday because I was like peeing out my butt.
That's pretty good.
But good stuff. What do you think about it?
Well, maybe better than the chicken.
Whole chickens? Nachos.
Nachos, okay. I
Nachos.
think it might be alright. Okay, yeah.
Well, our nachos is good.
If you start a film with
Look at my hair. Our nachos is pretty good. Still got a little fire going. Stay a little warm. About when it gets dark though, we'll probably be calling in a night in the tent probably.
Yep, and they throw a little few more
See if
pieces.
we can get a little better for tomorrow. Have a little better day tomorrow maybe.
Maybe.
Check this log out when we get a little better view of the lake too.
Good touch some water, y'all probably do.
Cool. See who falls in the water first. Huh? Cold, ain't it? I think it's fed by a river that comes down through there. We seen a dam earlier today. It was back over in there somewhere. Pretty cool.
That was a shell.
We just hope old Tent Mahal stays warm tonight. Look at Tent Mahal. It's huge, man.
Bite on the hat right there. Show them the toilet on the back. See that little flap?
Yeah, that's a toilet on the back, a little flap right there. You can pee right out of it.
Pretty cool here.
There you go, there's the setup if you can see it somehow. So we're going to try to survive in tonight.
Right.
Should be pretty easy, it ain't going to get that cold, but we wanted to sleep comfortable this trip, so we're going to try our best. But that's it for today, I think. Got much more going on.
Oh my goodness.
We're laying
Oh
here.
my goodness. I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. This has been not a perfect day for me.
Try to go to sleep, and hopefully tomorrow is a good day. So we'll see y'all later.
See y'all later.